Hello.
Hello.
How are we?
I'm alright, how are you?
I'm good. I'm fantastic.
So, I'm sorry, you sound a bit... Are you...
You?
English by any
Are we?
chance?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm super... I'm actually from north, south, east Manchester.
No way. Do you know what? Yeah.
I grew up in London, though. Where are you from?
What? Do you know Essex?
Yeah.
Yeah. So not there.
Right.
Yeah. Just around it.
Around Essex.
Kind of like closer to Scotland.
So, sorry, what's your name?
My name is Emma.
Emma. My name is Michael Stevenson.
Michael.
Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you,
Yeah.
Michael.
Is that, like, common in Eastern Europe?
Well, it's short.
I know you're English, but I feel like you're giving me Euro vibes. Do you know what I mean?
Right. This is 23andMe. Like, what we're doing, we're just trying
Why
to
not?
find
It could
my
be...
ancestry.
Yeah, let's do it.
But you know what? Between you and I,
Yeah.
Emma is actually, it's short for Veronica. Just a very English name.
is actually short for Mohammed Ibrahim.
Michael is actually short for Mohammed Ibrahim.
Right.
I Arab guy.
You are Arab. You know what? You are Arab. It's okay for me, actually.
Let's put
from
these,
Romania, but
these
you
white
know.
people, يعني, we're same
I am
color
here
of
to
them,
take
but we're not same.
Passport, you know. I left.
My cousin had passport this week.
Yeah, has
Yes,
passport.
but shh, don't.
Don't tell. It's okay.
Yeah, no, it's alright.
It's alright. It's alright. Yeah,
alright.
we can pass
Yeah,
through
no,
it.
it's alright.
You